right.
It's not blowing right or
It's
flowing?
not flowing right. Being a content creator is such a headache sometimes. I'm doing my best though.
How many takes have you done with this bike?
With this one?
Yeah.
Not a lot of takes, honestly.
Really?
It's just the ending that I'm struggling with because it is 3 o'clock. I had lunch, so the caffeine has run out, and English is not my first language right now.
Yes, it is.
No, it's sarcasm.
Okay, man. Amanda's over here trying to record the ending for this Shahamo e-bike, and she's struggling with it, and she keeps fumbling all over her words. And I tell you what, impromptu, I could do it myself, right? Okay, so here we go. It's like, hey guys, thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed the Shahamo, the Shahamo e-bike. If you have any questions about it, drop them down below. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. And hey, if you have any comments, just tell us what you think about, what we're doing here. And until the next video, you guys ride responsibly and ride safe. See how easy that was? I mean, you just got to roll with it, Amanda. Ah, that's okay. She'll get there. Daddy.
You look like a shamoo.
She says I look like a shamoo. Do I look like a shamoo?
You do look like a shamoo. Or would you prefer a blue whale?
She's digging a hole. There's a shovel over there if you want to go deeper. I got your number. I know where you live.
You do not.